Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, July 15th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY IWM triple Qs. Expiration Friday, third Friday of the month, halfway through the month of July, and the bulls are going to attempt to bring the daily back into balance. We'll see if they're able to accomplish that. We went out with a double distribution day in ES, SPY, NQ, and triple Q, so we'll be treating those as two separate days. One thing I failed to mention yesterday, we went back and forth not only through last week's low, but 2020 settlement of 373.88. So when you put that into context, basically we've traded over a year and a half unchanged from 2020. That's after the spectacular 2021. Right now, the overnight high is 379.64. The overnight low is 376.93. So game plan for this morning. Again, we still have 75 minutes to go. You have retail sales coming out at 8:30 this morning. We'll see how the market reacts to another number. It just gets tiresome every day how these algos react to every number. Anyway, if we gap higher and it's not that sizable of a gap, I will take a long against it. I'd be out if the gap fills. The higher the larger the gap, the less likely I'd get involved if that was to be the case. You have that 9-wide POC from the 13th. That will be a destination. The 13th high, and then the line in the sand, which bulls really need to get back above, which is the price spike from Tuesday the 12th, which was B's low. If you get to that level, then we're clearly over the 20-day moving average. 20-day moving average prior to the opening today is 380.10. So that's going to be another important level to get acceptance, not just to trade above it, but acceptance. In the next 75 minutes, if we open up inside of the upper distribution, again, you could take a long. And then, again, if you take out L's low, you want to get out, or you want to take the heat down to the upper end of the lower distribution, that's a decision to make. Those are a couple of call plays. As far as a short play, if we're opening inside the upper distribution but below yesterday's high, again, you could take a short the first time to see if sellers defend the one-time framing down in the daily against yesterday's high. And another one, if in the next 75 minutes we open, say, above the lower distribution but below the upper distribution inside the single prints, you can take a short play if it's to push up against the upper distribution. Again, all early plays. We will be recapping all three of these indices charts as the week comes to an end tonight. And then quickly on the chart, I'm just going to show you the daily. So we are one-time framing down for 4 days. The bull's goal is to take out yesterday's high and come into a 3-day balance to start and attack the 20-day moving average. Bears don't want to see that and want to continue to try to push lower. Again, we tested the bottom of a 4-week balance. If that's to hold, the ultimate destination would be the top of that balance, which is this day's high on June 28th, which is at the 393.16 level. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.